Hi, this is a quick demonstration of Spectrum Spatial Connect. We're going to illustrate two different things in this demo. Firstly, we're going to talk about offline tiles and about taking things offline. You need to be able to take some tiles with you. So when you're out in the field, you don't have mobile connectivity, you can still get the background tiles for a map. And then we're going to talk about conflict resolution. So sometimes you might be working in the field, you might edit your record, somebody else on the server or in another field application might edit the same record, and then we need to be able to resolve those conflicts. So in this example, we've got a bank branch survey, and this allows us to capture different bits of information about a bank branch. And this is just a very simple demo, and it's got things like how busy it is, and it might have some pictures and so on. So let's have a look at, on our mobile device, in this example on the right hand side, it's a phone, and we've got branch X over there. So the first thing we're going to talk about is, before we go offline, we actually want to generate tiles. So as the administrator of this, I can set up tiles for this particular application in this advanced map. So we can go into the tile setting over here. You can pick your area, so you can choose your area that you want to generate tiles for. You can specify the details of where those tiles are, and then you can create them at particular zoom levels. So you might create them for particular cities or at different zoom levels for different areas and so on. And then these are downloadable tile files that are available on the mobile device. So if on the right hand side on my mobile device, I can click into that map. If the top right over there where we've got the layers, we can click into that. So at the moment it's using the online tiles because I'm online, but if I was to go offline, then I can actually access those. Now I've already downloaded them for the purpose of this demo, but there we can see those tiles. So you just click download and it will download those tiles, cache them offline. So when you go offline or you're out of mobile range, you can access the tile layers. So let's have a look at that in action. So to illustrate that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into airplane mode on my mobile device, and then we'll see over here we've got various tiles that we've downloaded at different zoom levels. And I only downloaded a number of them, again, just for quick demo purposes and so on. So let's have a look at what happens if we both edit the same record while we're offline. So I'm going to click on just near my location over there. I'm going to click on that branch Z or Z, and we can have a look at over here. We've got this. So let's pretend somebody else is editing things at the same time. So they're going to set it as manic. They're going to call this Z.1. I'm going to, on my phone, I'm going to name it Z.2, and then maybe I'll change that to vary. Now on the phone, because we're offline, you can see it says pending update. And to illustrate this, what we'll do is let's just get out of that, and we'll just go back over here and we'll have a look. Let's go back to the actual application, and we'll see over here that record. Let's have a look over here. We actually change that. We can see that there's pending offline. So to illustrate, when we come back into mobile range or we go back online, and we'll just take it out of airplane mode to illustrate that, the application on the device will detect that network connection is now available and it will sync that. Now, I don't know if you noticed on the left-hand side over here, we can see that that's now been marked as a conflict, as it has been on the mobile phone. Now, if I click it on my mobile phone, I'll get a very similar interface to this. We'll just do it in the browser. It's a bit bigger and easier to see. And now we can see that we've got two different records. One Z.1 or Z.1, the other Z.2, and they've got different values. So we can make a decision over here of which one of those records we want to win. So let's say we chose Z2 as the one. Now watch what happens on the mobile phone when I update that. We can see now they've both updated to the latest record. So a human made a decision and chose the right one. So that's just a quick example of how offline tiles work, as well as resolving conflict resolutions when you might be working offline as well. Thanks for watching.